This craft supply collection took decades to accumulate, and that's pretty evident by how much ink is in here. Let's open bin number 43. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where to start. For anyone new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply store in Tampa Bay, Florida called Bottom of the Bin. And we recently bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. We're opening it one bin at a time, over 50, so there's still plenty to go. And this one is literally all ink, maybe some alcohol ink, some stamping ink, maybe some other surprises, but I'm ready. Are you ready? We are just hoping that these still work. There's some little droppers there and some glitter, which is probably getting all over everything already. I'm a bit overwhelmed by this one. That's why I haven't done it yet. There's just like part of an alphabet stamp, not even the whole alphabet. Some flocking powder. Not sure what that is. That seems to be empty. Little bits of embossing powders, looks like. A random lid. And more flocking powder. What the heck is flocking powder? Oh, we have some little mini foils, which we had in another bin not too long ago. And oh my gosh, these distress inks. I'm definitely going to have to hang on to these. I've been trying to make my collection a little bit bigger. And although I'm not a huge fan of the minis, I will take what I can get because I don't have that many colors and I use them a lot for my card making and journaling. So that's a pretty good find. I'm only keeping the distress ones though because that's the brand that I like the most. These ones are alt and new, so these will be for sale. The only thing I'm worried about is these might not work. So if you are local, we will have, well, we already have testing stations set up so that you can make sure they work before you go home. We'll make sure to remind everyone. Oh, look at that really pretty pink glitter glue. And if you're not local, we have an eBay shop, so you can keep an eye to see what winds up there. There's already hundreds of items, including mostly scrapbooking and sewing. Ooh, kooky colors, glitter, and nutmeg. Those are actually really pretty. I have a little decent collection of glitter. I don't use them very often though. The Essentials Glue Pad, perfect for use with ultrafine glitter, chalk, powdered pigments, gold leafing, and more. Wait, that's kind of cool. I've never seen anything like that. Maybe you stamp into it and then you add the glitter on top of the stamps. And this is it says Marble Paint by Marabou. So these are re-inkers. There's a bunch of different colors in here. Ranger Archival ink. I'm not sure if I have that. Memento and a Adirondack. Maybe someone will need these. That looks like maybe embossing powders. There are a few different colors in here just sprinkled about. Flocking powder. They're flocking powder, I think. I need to find out what that is. There's definitely more. We've got a set of brushes. And these are... Oh, are these pearlescents? No, I'm not quite positive what they are. They could be more of that flocking stuff. They could be embossing. Actually, I think they're pearlescents if I had to guess. Because they say shimmer. They all say shimmer. Burgundy, red, gold. I'm debating if I should hang on to these. I've been hanging on to the pearlescents, but I don't have this range of colors. Okay, here's the marble ones. Easy Marble. I assume they're just like paint pouring. I'm not really sure. Yeah, marble paint. Lots of fun colors in there. Then we have some cold press watercolor paper. Cute little pad. You guessed it, more flocking powder. I assume that's either flocking powder or embossing powder. Soft flock fibers, and there's more. Just different varieties, different brands, different bottles. This is like a shiny paper. It's probably not going to show on camera, but I assume it's for alcohol ink. Ooh, glitter glue. That is actually really pretty. I love that. More glitter. And then, yeah, here's some of the perfect pearls. They're just like a shimmer powder. I guess you could add them to any project to just add a bit of shimmer. I'm going to be using them for art journaling so that I can get a better idea of how they work. But yeah, I do have a decent collection of these already. Oh my gosh, and here is Bob hanging out at the bottom of the ink bin. Bob, you're so colorful. You definitely belong in here. Fresco powder. I'm pretty sure these are vintage. We had some in another bin, and our eBay staff said that these are older and I guess harder to find. Ooh. Ooh, wait. I don't know if this is anything like flocking powder, but this says fairy glass, and there are some really pretty colors. Definitely gonna see if I could use some of those in my art journaling. I saw someone do like these really beautiful junk journals, art journals, and it was very fantasy and cottage-like, and there were fairies and hobbit holes, and she would decorate the page with moss, which I hate moss. It gets everywhere. This is probably like similar, but maybe not as wild and overbearing. And they're just gorgeous. I mean, her pages are thick though. It's not like your regular thin journal. It's very 3D, very cool, and very mesmerizing. I think if I even tried, I couldn't be as good, but I might try. All right, we made it to the ink pads. Let's go. Winter Sky. Ooh, Angel Pink. Melon. Rainbow. Crystal. Wow, there's some really fun ones in here. I really hope these work. Like I said, we'll have a testing station set up in our shop. I mean, we already do, but fingers crossed that most of these are still good. There's some VersaFine in Spanish moss. I actually use this one in black pretty often for my stamping. Even though I said most of the ink I use is Distress. I have a couple of just like basic blacks in different brands, and that's one of them. This is the Alt Enu. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Memories. I wonder if we'll see any Stampin' Up. Those do really well in our store. Some Memento. Library Green Archival ink. Ooh, a Rain Cloud one. Ocean by Hero Arts. Arctic Emerald. Oh, it might be just a shimmer. Very interesting. We have Archival Brilliance and Pearlescent Purple. Oh my gosh, I'm sure that's stunning. More Hero Arts, VersaFine, Memento. These are Ranger, but I haven't seen those. The red VersaFine. We've got some Memories in Violet. A ton of Adirondack. Joanne. There's more All Inu, Color Box, Adirondack, Hero Arts, Vivid, Wooden Fabric ink pad, Ink Expressions. I didn't know there were so many brands. I mean, this is incredible. Stampabilities. Ooh, that one's in Ladybug. This glitter I spilled earlier is everywhere. Ranger Archival ink in blue and green. Wow, I think she had every VersaFine color and every Adirondack color. Oh, Stays On is a pretty good one. I have that red one, I believe, and I know I have a black one. But here's a Dove Gray and a metallic. Ooh, Coral Berry. That's probably gorgeous. Cranberry. Red by a la Mode. Oh, Memento Luxe. That must just be, I guess, a higher quality brand of the Mementos. Encore Ultimate Metallic. Days On Claret. Ancient Page. Excelsior. Harmony by Spectrum Noir. Ooh, I love their glitter markers. Oh my gosh, there's a really cute rainbow one. Ultimate Metallic. Ultimate Rainforest. I love those ones that are like divided by color. Limeade, that's really bright. Fun Stampers Journey, and more Hero Art. Some fun pinks here. I'll probably stop naming the brands because I think we've seen a pretty decent selection. There's Blush and Wagon and Northern Pine. Seattle Sky. Oh look, here's one for me. Wait, I saw this last time, the Custom Blend. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I hang on to the Distress Oxide, so I guess we will find out. There's a purple, a conch shell, another purple, another purple, another purple. Ooh, this looks like a little collection. Studio Me. There's gold, green, blue, like a steel blue, and red. We've got brown, Dune, Cement. This new color. The Stays On Jet Black. One of my favorites. Olive, Anchor Blue, Cactus, Navy. I wonder whose job it is to name the colors. Martha Stewart. Ooh, these are pretty. There's like a blue and like a tealish green, a turquoise-ish green. Oh, that's a hot pink. There's some more of those Studio Me's, black and silver. More color box. And blue, antique pewter. Color box, mica magic, and copper. I bet that's gorgeous. Well, that was quite a colorful collection. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.